Hi. I own a 2003 Toro Zero Turn 1438 mower. I replaced solenoid and ignition switch and jumpered out steering arm and seat switch safety switches. When turn key on and bypass solenoid will start and run. Can you point me to WD or suggestion what may still needed?
Do you have fuel in the tank? If so, is the shut-off valve open and the fuel clean?
Yes. Mower will start and run if put power on starter directly.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes, if I can.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
The solenoid I got from Toro looks a little different than original, so not sure I have connected correctly.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer. Do you have a voltmeter or test light? Are you getting voltage from the key to the switch wire on the solenoid when you turn switch to start? Switch wire will be one of the two small terminals on a 4-wire solenoid.
Thanks. I will do that and let you know. If I do and have voltage but still doesn't start, should I switch wires on terminals and see if it starts, or what would be the next step? I prefer writing since I have other distractions today and have to shuttle from house to garage to try your suggestions.
Can you send picture of the solenoid and wires?
I have power to the blue wire on switch and on solenoid when switch in on start position. Have 12V also on power terminal on solenoid from battery positive but not on solenoid other terminal when key is on start. Is a new solenoid but thinking maybe a defective solenoid.
Looks right, the blue wire from key to switch side of solenoid would be the one that has to close solenoid for start.
Okay. Where should I look next? When jumper across solenoid tractor will turn or and start. I thought about ground of solenoid mounting on frame but have continuity between battery ground and solenoid mounting.
Does blue wire have continuity? No voltage when key is turned to start at switch end?
Blue wire has continuity from solenoid to switch. Yes, is voltage on blue wire at switch and at solenoid when key is on start position.
Okay, the green wire on the solenoid has to be the completion of the ground side of the circuit. If you ground the green wire, solenoid should work.
Thanks. I'll do that and let you know.
Okay.
I think you are onto problem. Green wire goes to a black relay looking box that connects several yellow wires as well as the green wire. What is purpose of relay and what is it called? Should I replace it? I tried jumpering solenoid connection of green wire to ground and didn't work, so relay may have one other function.
Number 19 in parts list below. Not named, but would appear to be for start. https://www.partstree.com/parts/toro/mower 0 turn lawn mower /743011438Z Toro 1438Z timecutter Z 0 turn mower SN 240000894 240999999 2004/electrical system assembly/.
Okay. I looked and the relay identified looks like mine. Any idea what it does? My guess is it ties all the safety switches from the tram arms and seat and power takeoff to solenoid ground. Is that right? So should replacing relay fix my problem?
I would replace the relay, thinking it does complete the ground circuit for start.
If all that is right, any idea why running a ground from battery negative to connection for green wire on my solenoid didn't work?
I thought it should have worked, but the circuit has to be made at the key switch for everything to work right.
Okay. I'll go to Toro dealer tomorrow and see about replacing relay. Any other places to check and mean at me? Otherwise, we'll thank you for help in closed session after you respond.
Do you feel relay close when key is turned on or when key is turned to start? What happens if you tap on relay? All safety switches good.
Relay is deader than a doornail. No clicking. Tapped it a few times too. I'm pretty sure all safety switches are good since bypassed them when started diagnosing. I will get a relay and see if it takes care of it. I would like to wait till after that before closing this job if okay, but will take a couple of days.
Okay.
Well, I replaced solenoid again and got a new relay but still nothing. Any idea what we've missed? If it is a ground issue, is there any reason to believe jumpering out the seat and 2 tram lever switches would be the problem?
Are the switches bypassed now? Put them back in circuit and try it.
Still had seat switch bypassed, so didn't have to sit on it to see if would start. We'll try that tomorrow morning, getting late here. Thanks for help and we'll let you know tomorrow.
Okay.
Well, I connected the seat switch, so all are connected and sat on seat and still nothing. Battery shows 12V and even connected battery to charger to make sure full voltage but nothing. I am afraid I am stuck. Any other ideas before I give in and take it to a Toro dealer or local repair shop? Curtis, good news. I put battery on charger and let it charge a few hours. With all the cranking I decided to charge it up. Battery was new in May of this year. Anyway, mower now starts and runs fine. Thank you so much for all your help. I will give you the best rating for all your help and as another way of saying thank you so much.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now visit justanswer.com/ythi.